Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Pinterest account public. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Pinterest. Open Pinterest and you need to update Pinterest application. As you can see, my Pinterest is up to date. Then you simply need to go is to open Pinterest. So once you open Pinterest, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Once you are here, you simply need to click on three bars on the top right. From here, you need to click on settings. Once you are here, you can see option profile visibility. Click here. So once you are here, you can see search privacy. Hide your profile and bots from search engine. So you simply need to turn off this feature. And now your Pinterest account is public. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.